Okay, this is a phone coming to replace the battery. Okay, as you can see, the phone already becomes swallow, so they become big, the battery already damaged inside. Okay, the first thing you have to eat the phone at least for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have the at home, just force to open it. Okay, you don't need to scared. Okay, just force the because is a rubber, it's not a glass. Okay, but if you have the heater, just hit it to make it more easy for it to open. Just hit it right around like this, very nice. But if you don't have the heater, just try to open it. Okay, this one is rubber, it's not a glass. Just use your tools and try to open it right around. Okay. After you hit it, you just try to open it. Put it inside like this. Okay, after you open it, after you can even use your hand to open it because it's rubber. Open it, remove it, put it one side. Okay, remove this back camera glass. You have clip here, be careful. Take out the clip. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw back of the phone. So many screw. Make sure you remove all the screw. Okay, don't leave any screw. Take out all the screw back of the phone. Just make sure you leave these two screws, the one on the ringer. Don't take out these two screws. Take out all the other ones. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay. Take out all the screw. Remove the SIM tray. Put it one side. Then open the phone right around. Be careful your fingerprint cable. Okay. Okay. Slide the phone like this. Disconnect the fingerprint cable from here. Put the cover one side. Okay. Remove this plastic. Remove the transparent plastic first. Just open it like this. And take out the green one and pull the battery. Just open the battery like this. Remove it. Okay. Now I need to fix the new battery. Okay. This battery comes with glue. You can put the glue. Some battery don't come with glue, but some will come with glue. So you can use the glue if you like. If you like, you just put it inside like that because the glue is already there, small glue, but it's a bit weak, so you can use this one. Okay, just put it back of the battery here, like this. Okay, and open this one also. Put it back of the here. Okay, and remove the plastic. Just squeeze it out so it can rest on the battery very well. Okay, remove this one also. Squeeze it very hard. Okay, and put the battery inside. Make sure you fix the battery terminal very nice first. Okay, put the battery inside very nice. Make sure the plastic is up. Okay. So the battery rests properly. Very nice. Okay, fix the battery terminal very well. Okay, then you fold the cable so the battery rests properly. Very nice. Okay, fix back the back cover. Make sure you fix fingerprint cable first. Very nice. And close the back cover very straight. And replace all the screw back. You take out so many screw. Make sure you replace all the screw very nice. So replace all the screw, take out, okay? Don't leave any screw. So replace all the screw, okay? After you place the screw right on the phone, then you put the glue right on. It's at the edge of the phone, very nice, okay? After you put the glue right on, then put back this camera cover. Make sure you fix the clip very nice like this. Put the back cover very straight. Don't bend it. Okay. If you have a rubber that you can use that for 30 minutes before the glue dry, you take it out. If you have a rubber that you can use later, just tape it for 30 minutes, then you take it out. Okay, so the glue become dry. Put down here also. Don't forget put back the SIM tray. Put at the top here also. Okay. Now you need to put the phone on charge. Make sure you full charge before you use the phone. Okay. Even the battery is 30% or maybe the battery is 80%. Make sure you put it on charge for full charge before you use the phone. Okay. As you can see, logo already show. Battery is good. Everything is nice. That means okay. Hello guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.